Hey everybody, Michael here with iKamper, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at our shipping and receiving procedures when you take delivery of your brand new iKamper rooftop tent. Now this is an exciting time and I'm excited for you, but to ensure that you take delivery correctly of your brand new tent, we're going to look at how this product should come delivered to your home versus what it shouldn't look like when it comes delivered to your home. So this tent right here is exactly how it leaves our facility from our warehouse team. They've taken great care as far as getting it nice and palletized. It's strapped down as well as has all the labels for the freight carriers to see that this is a heavy, oversized, and very fragile product. Now sometimes freight carriers aren't as gentle as we'd like, and they can have deliveries that look like this, which is definitely not what we want. So in this video, we're really gonna analyze and look at what you should do if you see a tent trying to be delivered looking like this. So the overall shipping timeline looks like this. Once the tent has left our facility, you're gonna get a tracking number that's associated just for you with the freight carrier. And depending on your location, it could take up to 2 weeks to receive that delivery, but within that window, the freight carrier is actually gonna give you a call to make that delivery and schedule it ahead of time. And the reason for that is, again, these are very big, oversized, and heavy products, and they are fragile. So they're gonna be coming to you on a box truck with a liftgate delivery. So there's a little bit more hands-on, if you will, on ensuring that you're receiving your product as it should be. Now this brings me to our most important step in the overall process of receiving your brand new tent. First and foremost, do not sign anything until you've had a chance to thoroughly inspect the tent and any signs of damage. Now again, this is exactly what it should look like, and if so, go ahead and sign the bill of landing or the BOL, and you're off and running to your next camping adventure. However, if it looks like this is your chance to document via photos or video all the damage that may have occurred, such as punctures to the box, signs of damaged pallets, or anything whatsoever that may cause alarm to you believing that the tent inside is damaged. You'll note all that on the bill of landing, and of course you have the right to refuse that delivery, at which point you can go ahead and contact our customer service team, and they will be more than happy to help walk you through those steps on providing a quick and efficient resolution. So helping me with the unboxing today is going to be my colleague Aaron, and as we do the unboxing, I'll be walking you through step by step of the process. So to start with, again, we're gonna go ahead and lean over the tent, making sure that the arrows are pointing up. And you're gonna do that gently, just as Aaron demonstrated. And from here, you're gonna go ahead and just cut off the factory straps that are holding the two top lids together. That just keeps the tent nice and cinched down, making sure that nothing shifts in transit. You're gonna go ahead and open up that first top lid, and then you'll see the tent is nicely stored in there. We have these really nice air packets that hold the tent from any shifting that happens while in transit, just making sure that the top shell as well as the bottom panel stay nice and in perfect condition. On the side, you're gonna find the mounting bracket. For this SkyCamp 3.0 Mini, it's gonna be our mounting brackets 3.0. You're gonna have all the goodies in there, not only the mounting brackets like I just mentioned, but also the tension rod when you cinch those down to your crossbars. On the side is the actual square cardboard piece that kind of holds the frame of the tent. That's gonna easily be taken off by just simply pulling up. I'm so glad I'm helping with the process, this is great. And then you'll have your small triangular cardboard covers there for the sides. So included with all of our tents is going to be the tent cover. This is just gonna help protect that shell while in transit from any potential damage that may happen. This tent in specific needs is gonna be our SkyCamp 3.0 Mini in the rocky black shell finish. However, if you happen to order the gloss black shell, this is also gonna be included. This is our wax kit just to help with any UV protection similar to a car from any damage that may occur over the length of use. So from here, you have received your new tent, you've opened the box to it, and you are one step closer to getting out on your next camping trip. And we are so excited to have you a part of our iKamper community. From here, you're essentially just gonna be cleaning up your mess and getting the install prepped and ready. So be on the lookout for that next video because we're here to help you with all those steps. But if you have any further questions in the meantime, feel free to drop us a line at support@iKamper.com and we'll be more than happy to help you. But until next time, guys, safe travels.